What's going on? What's going on, man? I don't know if any of the fellas is here today. I see a couple bikes out. I don't recognize any of the bikes though. It's like the older one. Is that 1000? I think it's one of the older 1000s. I like that. I like the headlights on that one too. I'm not gonna record when we go in there, but